educators, welcome back to Student Alliance community. Today I'm going to show you a very interesting feature that we have called freeze on the panel. Right now, go onto your menu, click on more, click on your freeze option. Now, as soon as you click on the freeze option, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can make sure that one particular screen is freezed and you are able to see what is there using a zoom in and a zoom out option. You can see a full screen and you're coming back here and just click on close. Now, generally, why do you use this freeze option? Very simple. In case you don't want to navigate to a lot of pages, you just want to stay at one page where you want to zoom in and zoom out. Using freeze option, you can do it directly with your pen or your finger. Thank you so much.